All right, I'm gonna have to hurry up a little bit. I'm running out of time. So this is for question number 3. So number 3, write an algebraic expression that represents each verbal expression. So first we got to decide what does this even, well, we don't have to decide. We have to figure out what this even means. So write algebraic expressions. A combination of variables, numbers, and operations from verbal expressions, sentences. So write a combination of variables, numbers, and operations from sentences. So let's get started on these sentences. 4 times a number subtracted from 2. So let's take this a step at a time. 4 times a number. So in Schoology, all the variables for this particular question are in, so I will be using in for this. So 4 times a number, that means I'm doing 4 times a number. Remember, a variable and a number touching means multiplication, so I'm going to leave it as it is. Subtract it from 2, so I'm going to take this away from 2. So that means 2 has to be in front because that's what I'm subtracting it from. So 2 minus 4 times n. B, a number squared divided by 2 and then added to 16. So once again, we got to take this a piece at a time. A number squared. What is squared? It's a special type of exponent. If you don't remember the type of exponent, look at your notes. But remember, this has a value. It's the number 2. So a number squared. So got that part. Divided by 2. So this is what is being divided by 2 because it follows right after that sentence. So divided by 2. And then add it to 16. So plus 16. There is a Schoology way to type this in. N shift 6 2 slash 2 shift equal plus shift equal and then 16. All right, last but not least is C, the sum of 5 and a number and then multiply by 8. So the sum of 5 and a number. You need to remember what sum means. Sum is the answer to an addition problem. So sum, I am going to add 5 and a number. So I need the sum of this. And then, so after this, so I'm going to put parentheses around this. So after I do this, then multiply it by 8. I'm going to multiply this by 8. So I'm going to put the 8 in the front. Even though it comes last, you're going to most likely see it set up this way. And that's number 3. On to number 4.